Day 14 Speaking Challenge. I miss some challenge, but it's okay. I still have 16 days to finish this challenge. I just wanna share a story. Yesterday, my father complained about his body, crack at all. And now my mom also experienced that. At the same time, I also experienced that. What happened? I don't know. It is a collective disease or there is a virus to explanation, and I hope we all do fine. Thank you very much. You.